Now
on,
on
Phil.
this February 2nd, Punxsutawney Phil,
Come on,
the
Phil.
seer of seers.
Come on.
I see that everyone knows
Come
their
on, Phil.
part.
And I am merely the sage. I see a shadow on my stage.
Oh, Phil. 6 more weeks.
6 more weeks of winter weather.
Mom, I need some mac and cheese. Can you make me some? How's it going, fishing family? It is week 8 of Winter Quest. This is going to be a repeat of 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago started out 21. Today starting out 17. We've had 3 days of cold temperature. I'm at a new stream, trying out a whole new area. We're going to put in some work and see if I can replicate the bites that I've been getting at some of these other streams across Tennessee. We got our work cut out. I think it's going to be tough. I'm just hoping it's not going to take 3 hours to get the first bite. Let's see. All right. This is a deep, slow-moving pocket. Super clear. I do have some deadfall on this far side. If the fish are in here, they're probably going to be posted up all around that deadfall if they're in this section. I'll tell you one thing with working these baits, especially with this ultra sensitive tip on this rod, you're constantly trying to distinguish between your bait ticking over a rock or if it actually is a subtle bite. Because if it is a bite, you definitely do not want to move that bait any distance away from those fish, especially if that water temperature is really cold. Seems like they're going to give you one chance. They'll peck at it. I've had 1 or 2 this whole winter that's actually chased my baits, but that is out of the norm. There we go. This a largie? Largie or a spot? Oh wow, look how pretty. Wow, come here, buddy. Oh, he come off right there. He's sitting right there. Ah, can't count him. It's a pretty stream. It's a really pretty stream. Relatively clean, not seeing a lot of trash. That's nice. That's a big plus for me. That's why I really can't fish inner city streams. I can't take the trash. It just drives me crazy. All right. We're gonna push on downstream, look for another deep pocket.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began.
There we go. I got him.
The rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
All right, that's a better one. That's the best one I've caught out of this hole. All right, number 5. Where are you?
I'm coming home.
I did get one little bit bigger one in here, so that's good to know. He wasn't a whole lot bigger, but he definitely was bigger than the 10 to 11 inch range that I've been catching in here. So maybe that tells me there are a couple larger ones commingled, though 12.5, 13 is not large, but it feels large when you're winter fishing. You're like, oh, I got a big one. All right, let's push down. All right. This is definitely probably the biggest of the day. I can't tell how big he is yet, but he's in the current, but he's definitely a lot bigger. Oh yeah, that's good fish. Good fish. Come here, buddy. Come here, bud. Come here. Come here. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Yeah, when he picked this up. Come here, bud. Come here. He didn't even fight. He just whoop, and just sat there. Come here, bud. Come here. Come here. Come here, buddy. Hey, pretty boy. Come here, buddy. Yeah. All right, come here. Come here. Nice. Woo. Nice one. All right, buddy. Let me get you in the hook. There we go. Very nice. Big old chunky boy. How big are you? He's about a 15. Yes, very nice. I got one. Yeah, there we go. Skunk's out. I think the lower, got the first little guy. He's not a big guy, he's cold. Let's get him back. All right, skunk's out. And I just come up here and found me a deer shed. Yes, very nice. I love it. Yes, I wasn't even thinking about looking for deer sheds at this point. Awesome. This is pretty cool. I've come across a bald eagle's nest. At first I thought it was a robin, and I was like, I don't think that's a robin's nest. Because I'm kind of smart like that. I can kind of figure these things out. I thought it was just a little too big. If it was a robin's nest, I mean, she'd have like 38 robins at least. On days like this, you gotta brag about these little guys. I guess it's a largie. It's got a broken spots on tail, but anyway.